Assalamu alaikum grade 6. Today we are continuing the previous topic, which is the 3.5 logic circuit, page number 26. Yesterday we learned how to produce the truth table. Now we are doing the example 3.5.2 example, which is a 2. A safety system use three inputs to a logic circuit and alarm X sounds if input A represent on and input B represents off, or if input B represent on and input C represents off. Produce a logic circuit and the truth table to show the condition which cause the output X to be 1. The first thing to do is to write down the logic statement representing the scenario in this example. To do this, it is necessary to recall that on is equal to a 1 and off is equal to 0, and also that 0 is usually considered to be not 1, like that. So we can write the logic statement like this: if x is equal to 1, if and only if when a is equal to 1 and b is equal to not 1, or b is equal to 1 and c is not equal to 1. Basically this equates to a is on and b is off, like this. Not 1 you know that it is a conversion or reverse. If there is a 1 you will get the 0, so they are writing a is on and b is off. Similarly in this case they equates b is on and c is off, not 1. Okay, and OR means the two parts are connected by the OR gate. They are using the OR gate. You must recall what's the rule of what is the behavior of each gates. Let's see now. Note this statement can be written in the form of a Boolean algebra like this. Because it's a not B, so we are writing the B, and we know that we can show and with the help of a dot, so I'm writing the dot. Or is shown in the form of a plus sign, and B is similarly is a B, and there is again a and, so we are writing the dot. Again we have a C and not 1, though C is equal to not. C is equal to not means you can write C and bar. This logic circuit is made up of a 3 parts as shown in the logic statement 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we will produce the logic gates for the first part and the third part, then join the both parts together with the OR gate to get the final result, like this. How we can draw? First of all, this is the AND gate symbol and this is a B gate symbol, and you know that they are showing that the B is using the NOT gate, so we have to write like this, and then this output is coming and going inside of this one. And part 3 is like this. Similarly they are showing you the B and C input. So now combining both parts with the OR gate, which give us like this. You have to combine the one part and three part to get the output. Okay, and you already know they are saying the OR gate. This is the symbol of a OR gate. So how we can combine this like this? So there are two ways to produce the truth table. Just like trace the through the logic circuit using the method described in the previous example, or you can say that in the previous lecture. Example number 1, you have to recall it, how to produce the uh, truth table. Produce a truth table using the original logic statement. This is the second method which we'll learn today. Has the advantage that it allows you to check that your logic circuit is correct or not. Okay, we are using the second method now. In the second method, we have how many inputs total? We have 3 inputs, A, B and C. So we are writing the A, B, C, and you know that 0 means if we have a 3 inputs, how many possibilities will be? 8 possibilities in the truth table. So what you will get in the part 1, this is the intermediate values, how you can identify this value and this value. So first of all, you have to identify the when A and B are on, what you will get in this form. You will get 0, and you know that when it will be on. 0 0, when we have a both 0, it will also give you a 0. When they have any one is 1, that will give the 1 0. It will give you the 1 when any one, again we have a 0 and 1. You have to invert it now, because we will get like this. Okay, what is the inversion will be? You get the opposite one. So you will get 0 1, you will get the 0. Similarly 1 0, you will get 1, and you will get 1 0, you will get the 1. When we have a 1 and b is 0, then we will get the 1, otherwise we will get off. If the both are on, you will get 0 again. Okay, similarly when we are connecting b and c, so we will consider b and c values, not a values. We will ignore it, and then we will perform it. They will do the same scenario. And when we need the x output, what we need for the x output, we will consider these two values to get the answer, because this is the OR gate. In the OR gate, you know that when any one is 1, you will get the result. So where we have 1, in this one we have 1, in this case we have 1, in this case we have 1, in this case we have 1. That's why we are having this one. Okay, note this, it is optional to leave the intermediate values or to remove them to give a 4-column truth table with the A, B, C and X. Try to do with the intermediate values right now. When you will expert, you can skip this one, otherwise you cannot. Okay, this is your home task. You have to do the activity of 3.3 in from your book. You have to draw the logic circuit to complete that truth table of the following. There are the 5 parts, so you have to make the total 5 logic circuits now. So good luck and Allah Hafiz.